So we've had to harvest the garlic a little earlier than we would have liked. The rust that I spotted over a month ago now has just become quite extensive, and decided that enough's enough, and so I've harvested the garlic. There are some bulbs that have formed quite well and some that haven't, but there's nothing wrong with them in terms of being able to use it for cooking. Even the leaves here on the outside, I'm going to take them back to the main stem, and I can use those as garlic shoots. But you win some, you lose some. I think with the garlic being like this, I'm just going to use it fresh, and we'll freeze what we don't use. Okay, so I've taken off the outer leaves of the garlic, and as you can see, all this is actually going to get thrown into the waste bin because it's got rust. I'm not even going to be putting it into the compost bin at all. Not only have we got the fresh garlic that we're going to be using for cooking, I've managed to salvage the middle bits, and I'm going to dice these and freeze them, and we've already started using some of it for a chana bazi, so it's not been a total disaster. Already tested this garlic shoot that I managed to salvage, and it tastes fine. Unsurprisingly, it tastes of garlic, and you can dice it and add it to stir fries. In fact, looks like Bangladeshi lota a little bit.